Hello everybody. Hey, look at this journal I've got to show you today. This is more of a traveler's notebook size, and I am closing it with sari silk that has been hand dyed and is just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. On the front cover, I used some upholstery fabric and I used some wool pieces that I bought online, and I just did some embroidery and some beadwork just to make it fun. On the spine, I've got two of my handmade boho beads with wire wrapping. That's a lot of fun. And then I've got a ball pin dangle here with a little bird on it. So this is a small journal, not real small, but easier to make, very less and much less intimidating if you're just beginning. I have a beautiful tag in here. I have a little vellum envelope, like a little tiny envelope with a little tiny note card set in there. I just put a staple in the middle to hold it together that you can journal some secrets on. I've got a vintage postage stamp on the outside and just a little corner pocket there. This is one of my flat pens. Again, I did not come up with this design, but I love them. They're a great addition to a journal. And the best part is, if you drop your pen, it doesn't roll off on the floor. Don't you love that? It doesn't roll. It does have a paper clip on the back. So it's just a little flat pen made with some scrapbooking paper. And all I do is clip it onto the edge of my pages in my journal. I've got one clipped onto the edge of my Bible. I've left journaling spaces here and just trying to stick with the color scheme that I had on the front, a lot of fall colors. So here's a lot of fall colors, some stamping. See how simple this is? Very, very simple. If all the embellishments and goodies are intimidating to you, try this. Try just a simple, look how simple a little teeny tiny altered paper clip. It's nothing but three little flower petals on a circle, backed on a circle. And it's just hooked onto the side of the page to put some extra goodies there. So simple pages, some postage stamps. I love them. A little bit of stamping here and there. Here's a little envelope. Inside this envelope is just a little blank booklet for you to journal in. Here's where I stitched my signature in with this metallic thread, which I thought wouldn't be strong enough, but I pulled on it and tried to break it, and I couldn't even break it. So it's a lot stronger than I thought. So that worked good. Here's another little booklet over here inside this envelope that I made. And more room to journal. This is a great one if you love to write. This is a great journal because I left lots of good room for photos, for journaling, for sketching, a few beads here and there because I just have to have my dangles. I just love them. Cute little flower, just very simple, very, very simple. A rubber stamp, a sticker, and then on the back I've got a fabric tag that I made, and this tag opens up and it actually is a booklet you can write in, but the front of it is covered with some fabric. It says it's time to believe, and it's got a clock on there, and then another little glassine envelope with another little bitty booklet inside. How cute is that? You can write in that. So that just goes in the little glassine envelope, which is really vellum. I say glassine. This is actually vellum paper. It's not glassine. And then that goes in the pocket. I've got my stamp there, and that's all. Very, very simple. An easy journal anybody could make. So give it a try. Have fun. Thanks for watching.